Okay.
So
So that it won't
if we want
it
to
won't be
look at this,
crazy.
look at our formula bar. It shows
Yes, sir.
run between 10 to 20. Eh,
Yes.
so if we want this 19 to be 19, there is something that we need to do. So
Okay.
if we want to do it, let's say we want to change it to be independent. So let's highlight it first. Let us highlight it. Highlight the range of number that we just create with around between.
In
Yes.
between.
If you highlight it all, just press copy like this one. Copy. Did you see it?
Okay.
So if you copy it all, just go to first and click on this arrow like this one. This dialog box will appear on you. Did you see it?
Okay.
So just go to this first picture, and this one will appear again. So select on value. Did you see it? Values,
Yes, sir.
and press OK. So our numbers now are independent. Did you see it? Our numbers
Okay.
20 will be 20 and the 19 will be 20. Whenever I press is equal to, it will never change because of the numbers now are independent. This is the way of creating random number with this round between.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start PowerPoint.
Yes, sir.
So PowerPoint is the one of the biggest and the strong presentation software. It's a one of the Microsoft application software like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, like Microsoft Word, Access, Publisher, Outlook, and many more. So this PowerPoint is a presentation software. If like you're a student, you need PowerPoint to present your work or assignment. You are, let's say, a businessman, you need to present a new idea that you just get on your business. You are something, anybody need this software, because of whenever you create something or you found something that you need to present, you need PowerPoint to present it. Understanding? So
Yes, sir.
uh, there is something that we need to talk about it. Let's say if you are using Microsoft Word, on this title bar we will see what Word document, and if you are using Microsoft Excel, we will see book. So if we are using this PowerPoint, we will see presentation like this one, presentation one. So this is our title bar. uh, this PowerPoint is a presentation software. So the next thing we are going to talk about is this. This is our quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. And the next thing is, let's say this quick access toolbar, we want to add something to it. Let's say I want to add shapes, for example, or let's say I want to add these pictures. Just right click on it and add to quick access toolbar. It will add automatically on this quick access toolbar like this. Did you see it now? This is how are we going to add something on this quick access toolbar. So whenever I going to home or draw or something like this, this photo will never disappear on this quick access toolbar. That is the easiest way of creating shortcut on this quick access toolbar. So the next thing we are going to talk about here is under this file. So on this PowerPoint presentation, we can create new fields like Microsoft Word and Excel. We can open existing work like this one that I just create. We can save our document. We have types of saving. We can save our presentation like a picture. We can export it to be a video. We can save it like as what, as presentation or PowerPoint document. Then we have save as, we have print. If you want to print something in PowerPoint, we can use this print. We can share it online or something like. We can export it like I have told you. If you want to export our PowerPoint to video, we can do it, because of you can use this PowerPoint software to create graphic design, video animation, presentation, and any graphic design. You can use this PowerPoint to create it. So this is something all about this file. And the next thing is this home. This home has something that is different with Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. For example, on this one you can see this clipboard that like we have on Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. So it has slide. So this slide is different or categorized onto different what do you call it, onto different need. For example, we have this one. Let's say select new. Let us talk about this slide. So we have title slide, we have table of content slide, we have selection header, we have to content, we have comparison, we have any kind of slide that you want, we can have it here. So the first thing that we need to focus in on this presentation is how can we create our cover page. So this is we can create our cover page because it's the page that we need to focus on. Let's say I want to present this presentation, or I want to present something under online vocational training that we did here. Let's say the first thing that I need to do is to write the name of the organization that I want to present. Name of the organization. For example, let's say let's use this one. So this, let's say this is our heading or our name of organization that we want to present, or name of the topics that we want to present. So this is the first thing that you need to focus on. Let's say this is our page. So these things that we write, let's change the name. Let's say, so for example, this is our heading that we need to focus on. For example, let's say we can change the style that we did this on Microsoft Word and Excel. We can change any font style, color, and whatever. So this is the our, let's say, headings of the organization that we need to present something. So we can drop it here because of the first thing that we need to do, that we need to have, is how can we design our cover page in a simplest way. So we can use this, and we can use this thing to create our cover page, and we can move it anywhere. This is text box, and whatever you can add it here, you can add it, or whatever you want to add here, you can add it. So the next thing we want to talk about here is draw. This draw, you can sign a signature after you present or something. You can, let's say I want to have these things. Let's say let's use these ink shapes. So on this ink shape I can write, let's say, let's use this one. Sorry, I don't click it and delete it like this. Let's see. So sorry, I don't know why it doesn't work. So let's unclick it and draw this ink sheet. Sorry, let's use this mathematics things. So if you want to write something, let's say I want to create something. Let's say 2. The 2 will have here times 2x. Let's say plus 2x plus 3y. So you can create any equations here and insert it into your Microsoft Excel, sorry, into Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. So what I want you to focus here, and we have design. We can use the design to change any color of this PowerPoint. Like let's say this one, the entire PowerPoint will change to this color. Sorry, my system today is misbehaved. Are we together? Hello.
Yes, yes, we are.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want to change it, let's use this one. Our entire slide will change automatically like this. So let's select what we let's select. Sorry, we can change any style that we want here. So let's select this one. We can use this one and we can create our own. So, and we have transition. Transition is like, let me select this slide like this one. Let's see, table of content. So let me remove the design all because of I need to change this thing to be custom. Sorry. So let me undo it. So like this one, and we need let's select this one. So table of content. So if you have, let's say, table of content like this one, let's say overview of what we want to write here. Let's see, here we have introduction, let's say introduction to computer, let's say introduction sorry, let's use this one and copy it. Okay. Introduction to Microsoft, let's say extension to Excel, sorry, and let's say introduction to, let's see, Word. So for example, we can use this transition to change the appearance of these things. Let's say we have to select let's match it, or let's use this transition. We can use this one to fade. Let's change the color of this, background color of this. If you want to change the background of your slide, just click on it like this and right click, go to format background and change the color of your background. Let's see, let's select black or something. Let's use this color. Okay, let's use this one. So this one is changed. So let's select these things to be like this one. It will often like, what do you call it, and we can use this one to change it like this one. So this is our transition, and we have animation. This is animation, and animation we can use it to change the appearance of or the movement or the motion of our text. For example, let's use this one. It will appear like this. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. It will one by one, and we can change the direction of it like this one, and we can change it also. So, and we can customize this transition. Let's say we select this one. So go to the animation pane, click on it. It will show you this. Just click on it like this one. Go to effect function. So let's say how you want it to be. I want it to be by letter. So select the term. Let's say I want it to be delay 0. Let's say 80, 0. Let's say 80, 0.80. I want it to be delayed 0.80 and click OK. So look at how it wants to be. Did you see it? Are we together?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So what I want to be focused on this presentation is how are we going to create our single presentation, or what do you call it, our presentation in, let's say we want to present something to somewhere, we want to present something in our schools or something like this. So if you want to do it, the next thing you want to do is to apply these things. Let's say we create our presentation and we want to present it, so we can use this to start our presentation like this one. Okay, and press next. By using this, you can next. By using forward arrows, we have movement cues that I mentioned on the previous videos. We have four arrows: up, down, and left, right. So use left or right to forward and backward. If you want to forward, use right. If you want to backward, use left. So this is so if you want to escape or to escape from this presentation, you can use escape key to escape from this presentation. So now today we are going to create a wonderful cover page and welcoming presentation. So let's start it together. So the next thing you need to do is to delete all these things like this one. So select let's go to shapes and select, let's see, what do you call it, select this rectangle like this one. Are we together? Hello.
Yes, yeah,
Yes, we are
Okay,
together.
if you select this rectangle, just fill it to be white, fill it to be white like this one, and this one to be white again. So select these things. Let me select another things. Let's use this number 10. Sorry, this one cannot work. Okay, let's use number 12. Maybe it can work. Oh, almost the same. So let's use this one. Okay, this one is okay. So if you want to use this one, just use it like this. I just put it. Use Control D to duplicate it. Control D like this. Okay. So Control D again. Control D. Control D. Control D. Control D. Control D. So let me create something and highlight it. Press Control and drag it like this. Sorry. I have this one. And then are we together?
yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Ah,
So like this one. If you are done, just let's see. Let me create something like that and put it like this one. Let me delete this one, and this one. Let me copy this one and move it to there. Copy this one and move it to here. So, if you are done for this, dragging these things, just highlight it all. If you highlight it, just go to Format, click on Format, and go to Merge Shapes. Click on Merge Shapes and click on Subtract. So, if you subtract it, sorry, select it all that I have said. Select it all. Go to Merge Shapes and subtract it. So So just insert a picture uh, under it. Let's select a picture. Next, sorry, what is that? Check wallpaper. I think we can have a wonderful picture that one can use. So let's select this one. So send it back. Did you see it?
Oh, wow.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Let me play it and see. Did you see it?
Wow.
Wow. So
What did you press? You press format merge shape, Abby. I didn't see.
Sir, please come again. Oh, we are lost.
okay. Did you know how I created these things?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
After this,
duplicated them.
just highlight it like this. Just go to format and click on match shapes. Just click on
Merge
subtract.
shape.
Click on subtract. Okay. After click on subtract, go and insert your picture that
Insert.
that you want to be a background or wallpaper. Let's use this one now. So it will go out on this. So arrange it like this. So go here and select on send backward.
Then backward.
Yes, that is. This is how I'm going to create a cover page. Let's say this cover page is similar to the cover page that I used to on the first day of creating what do you call it, macro support office. So did you see how I created this?
Yes, sir.
So let's create another one.
Yes.
Now you can write your title. What? Let's write our title before we proceed. Let's see.
Office.
Office. Sorry. Package.
Like,
For example, let's say this is let's move it to monotype. So yes, monotype. So let's increase the size.
oh,
For example, let's change the
okay,
color.
we took on the one now. You said, please, PS. Okay, PSTN. Okay. Please go ahead with that.
Hello, mute your mic.
Hi.
Hello, please go ahead with the address.
Mute your mic.
About inside bus stop in Beduleki.
Sir, please, I have a question.
Okay.
After highlighting them all,
Mm-hmm.
what next, please?
Just go to format. So we are going to create another one that is similar to this one. Then you can understand more. You can get it. Okay.
Okay, I'm just trying to do it here, but mine, I can't find format here.
Okay. Which function? Which Microsoft Office are you using?
Actually, I don't know.
Is it 7 or 13 or 16?
Is it what?
Microsoft Office 7 or 13, 16 or 19?
Sir, I don't know. Where will I
Okay,
see that?
let us create another one together. This is let's say
Okay.
Microsoft Office packages by present. Let's say present. Say presentation of like this. And so like this one. Let's change it to height or so by let's say AI online occasional training institute. So let's change it this one to Valentino. So this is how are you going to create the cover page. Let us play it like this. So that is, and let us create another one. So if you want to create this cover page, just select a blank page like this one. So select a rectangle like this. Let's say create this one. So this one is okay. So let's select hold your control and drag it like this, and drag it again like this, and drag it again like this, drag it again like this. So now it's okay. Highlight it all. After you highlight it, just drag it like this. Sorry. And drag it like this one. Drag it like this one. So if you are done, highlight it again, and go to format. After you go to format, just go to this match shapes and go to this union to group it together. So after you did it, just retort the these things. So after you did it, just select a rectangle, a whole rectangle, and design it like this and draw it like this. So send it backward. Send it backward. So so now match it all. Highlight it all. If you highlight it all like this, sorry. So if you highlight it all like this, just go to shapes and subtract it. So change the fill of this presentation to be white like this one. So after you did it, go and select your picture that you want to use as your wallpaper or background picture. So let's select this one. Let's use, let's see, this one, and send it backward. Sorry, you can select another one and you can rotate it like this. And double click it and drop it like this over here. So let us play this one. This is the second that we just create. Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Are you
I
there?
hear you. Hello, sir.
Okay. Did you know how I created? Did you understand?
Hi,
Yes.
hi.
Okay. So
Yes.
this is the second cover page that we just create. Let us create a welcoming page. So let's use blank page like this one. So the first thing that you need to do is to select a shapes like this one. Let's use this one. Okay, change the color to be black and outlines to be these things golden, and double click it by using Ctrl D and rotate it like this. So after we arrange it, just double so it's okay, just double click the this slide. So this one, let's say this one, draw it like this, and this one also. So change the color of all the slides and change the fill of all the slide and change it to be, let's say, golden like this one. So insert your text. Let's say welcome to the second. Let's see, welcome is okay. So let's change the color. Let's say Times New Roman. So welcome here is okay. So copy your welcome and go back to first slide that you just create and paste it. So like this one. So after you did it, just draw your welcome to down like this and highlight all of this and this and select it to be, let's say, transition, move it to map transition. Wow. So let's open it. So hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hmm.
So, can you please go back a little?
We're just looking at it like a thing.
Are we together?
Hi, I'm
So they are not,
confused.
they are not
Sir, are you
fine.
recording? Sir, this is very beautiful, but please, can you go back a little?
Okay.
Yes, please.
Did you know how I create this one?
Yes.
So let's start from here. Let's delete this one. Let's move it to now. So if you create this one, just double click it by using Ctrl D. So go back to the next slide and draw it like this, and this one draw it like this. So after you did it, just change the color of it to be the color that you use on this shapes outline. Let's change it to red. Oh, sorry, to golden. So just insert your text box like this. Let's say welcome. So increase the size 11 times and press enter. So you can bold it, whatever you want you can do with this. So let's say here is okay for me. So copy your text that you just write and go back to first slide and paste it. So if you did this, just draw your text to be like this. So select both two cells and change it to fill it to map transaction. So this is how I just created. Hello.
Hi, sir, we understand. Yeah, we get it.
Create
We get it. We got it.
okay, create three welcoming page, two cover page and one welcoming page. So let's create another one. This is the last. Um, which one do I should create? Let's see. Select a blank page. So so let's select a rectangle like this one. So change the arrange it to be align, let's say center, and align to be align middle. So please mute your mic. So after you create this, let's say let's select another one. Let's use this things. Just select it like this. Okay, insert it like this and draw it like this. So we can increase these things. Okay. So change fill it to be, let's see, what any color that you want. Sorry, mute your mic. So after you did it,
Sir, please.
okay.
Can you please go back again on how you did this?
What?
On this shape you added.
This is the shapes. It's already on your shapes. Recently shapes used. Let's use this one. This is the shapes that I've just used. Just draw it like this. I'm sorry I didn't tell you that the class is recorded like this. So this is how I insert it. So let me
Alright.
change the font to be like this one. So after you create this, and just double click this rectangle by using Ctrl D and move it to be like this. Move it like this. So send it backward. It will appear like this. So change the color of this rectangle to white, and change the outline of this rectangle to be white again. So select both this rectangle and this cylinder and group it together by using Ctrl G. So after you did it, just press Ctrl D to duplicate it. So draw it like this. So after you did this, just go to change it. Sorry, I forgot something. Let me back. Come back. So change the appearance of this and rotate it to be uh, vertical like this one. So after you change it, just change the fields outline and distance. So group it together by using Ctrl G. So after that, use Ctrl D to duplicate it and draw it like this. Move it to be like this. Things. So after you do this, just go to rotate and change it to be horizontal. It will look like this thing. So open these things. Sorry, open these things. Okay. Sorry, change it to be horizontal. So open it like this. So did you know how we create these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's select a text like this. Let's see. Welcome to second semester. Sorry, semester. So I write it and change it like you want, and do it 2 times new one. Include the size if you want, and change the alignment to the center. Change the font to be white, so like this one. So after you did it, just double click on this. Sorry, let So I got it. Let's select all these things that we just create and go to arrange and send it backward. Go to arrange and send it backward. So after this, just go to this slide and double click on it. So go back to post slide and draw it like this to be this, and this one to as my so this one to be like this. So select both slides and apply more transaction on it. So let open it. This is our cover page. This is another cover page, and this is our welcoming page, or after what do you call it, and this is our next cover page using these things. So this is what we just create. Are we together? Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
We are
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
together.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have any question about it?
So do you have any question about this?
Um, sir, can you come one more time on how you covered the welcome to second semester?
Welcome to second
Welcome
semester.
to second semester.
This one.
Yes, how you
This one.
covered it. Yes, sir.
So
So
this class I have told you is already recorded, but my computer chat is so it's going to shut down. Let me use Control plus T to do it like this. From here,
Yes, sir.
okay. So
okay.
after you insert your text, highlight it like this and go to Format. After you go to Alignment and send it backward, send it backward, like click on this thing, send it backward. So after this, just use Control D to duplicate it like these things. So after you did it, just draw it like this on your first slide, like this one. So select both slide and apply map transaction on it. So it will use like this. Hello.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
okay.
Let's say we want to save this our post cover page. We want to save it as a picture. So how can we going to do it? Because we can create invitation on this Microsoft PowerPoint. We can create flyer. We can design many what do you call it, graphic design things. So you can, if you want to save this only these things, only this cover page, just go to file and select on save. After select on save, just go to choose the location that you want to save it. Let's say you want to save it on desktop. So on there it will show you this presentation. Select on this presentation and choose JPG or PNG. So let's use this PNG. Let it be like presentation PNG and save. So it will ask us the all slide or just this one. Let's say just this one. We'll save it as a presentation for. So let's find it. Sorry. Okay. So this is our this is what we just create on this PowerPoint. Let's open it and we change it to be photo. Sorry. Yeah, my computer is too slow. So did you see it? We save it as a picture. Hello.
Yes, sir. You can see it.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you have any question?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, sir, mine is a request.
Uh,
Because when you used to upload these videos that you used to save, and we have to use our data again and see. I'm
Yeah.
requesting if you can just use it where we can just download it and watch it over and over again to save cost.
You can share it on Bitmate and download it. You can share the
Yes, you
link.
should
You can
Okay.
copy
share
the
the
link.
link.
Copy the link of the
You can
video
download
from
it on
YouTube.
YouTube.
Then you now, no, not on YouTube. You copy the link of the video from YouTube. Then you go to VidMate to paste it. Then you download it from VidMate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Any question? So let change our next class on Saturday to be question and answer. If you have any question on our previous class from Microsoft Excel and this PowerPoint, you can ask on Saturday. So in the absence of question, let call it a day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.